Good morning, students. This is Mr. Cronister, and I'm here to teach you basically how to do the credits. The first and the most important thing is you're going to go to the main screen, which is this Google site that we have for you. And from there, you're going to find what credit you want to do. So if you're doing U.S. History Semester 2, you would click right here. Now the credits are 1 through 5 and 6 through 10 for U.S. history. So we're looking at credit number 6 right here. Ooh, and we're going into World War II. Now, many of you have asked, well, how do I do the work? So you can do it in a couple of different ways, but the best and most effective way is to use the Google Forms, okay? Once you get to the history Google form, which you would get out of the email that was sent to you, you would go ahead and you would use your email address. All right. And then you would put your name, you would put U.S. history, you would put whatever unit you're doing, and this is unit 6. Again, we're doing second semester right here, and then ask you to find the terms. So in here, you would go ahead and go through here, and you would find the different terms. So there's the Yalta Conference, all right, and you'll go ahead and look for the Yalta Conference, and you would go from there, and you would Google it, or you would watch one of the videos to explain what is the Yalta Conference, okay? From there, you would continue on until you would do all the terms right here. So for our purposes right now, that's term 2, that's term 3, that's term 4, and this is term 5, okay? Then you're going to do video notes, and you ask, how do you do the video notes? Well, that's a good question. You would watch these videos that are right.
Hi, I'm John Green. This is Crash Course in History. And today we're going to talk about
So he would again talk about. So he would talk about World War II, and you would give me information about that. So you would tell me what happened first, second, and third. All right. And you would do that for each of those videos. So for every video, you would go ahead and you would watch it and you would take notes. Okay. And you're like, well, Mr. Cronster, what if they don't have enough videos? Like this one has 5 and you're asking us to do 6. Well, on this one, you would simply say no video. Okay. And then you would answer the questions. So when you're answering the questions, you go down here. What was the treaty at the end of World War I that laid the foundation for World War II? You would go in there, you would put the question, and then you would answer it, okay, based on the videos that you just saw. And again, you would do that for each one of these. So Hitler became the essential dictator of Germany in which decade? Okay, and then you would guess which decade that's going to be, and so on and so forth. So you go 3, 4. And again, you're not writing these numbers, you're answering the questions here. I'm just doing this for the sake of getting us through this video, okay? Then you're going to go to test modes. From test modes, this is very exciting, you're going to go and actually take the test, okay? And you're going to scroll down. Again, you're doing U.S. History number 6. You're going to find the test. There's the test right there. You're going to type your name, and then the password is OSC, all in lowercase letters. Okay, you're going to log in, and sometimes it doesn't necessarily connect right away, but you're going to go ahead and you're going to read it, and this is the Yalta Conference or the Red Scare, and again, you're not going to guess like I am, but you're going to go through this, and you're going to give it some answers, okay? And once you again go through this, find whatever the answer is, and I'm not reading, I'm just answering things right here on the test. I got a 33%. You need to get a 66% or better in order to pass the course. So you'll go back here, and once you get that 65% or better, excuse me, then you would go ahead and click. So once you get that, you get there. What did you learn? I learned that World War II shaped our country and American ideal, whatever you think it is. All right, and you probably put a little more. The next thing is very important. You must submit the work. Now, once you've submitted it, boom, you can still edit. You're like, oh shoot, I forgot that. So I got to go edit that information. But once it is submitted, it goes and it'll get sent to you. Okay, and it'll also be sent to me. So again, the information is all right here. on our main website. You can click there and find it. And then once you submit the credit, then it will be sent to you and me, and then I can grade it, send it back to you, and that's pretty much how it works. You need to do that 5 times, okay, if you want to get a whole semester's worth of credits. So it's very important that you understand it. Thanks for listening, and I'll send more informative videos as needed.